Hello everyone, you are at the Angular CDK crash course. In this video, you'll learn how to add animations to your draggable lists. But before we start, please make sure you already know how to rearrange the data in the list as we learned in the previous video. So here I have a list as we built in the previous video, and I want to add two animations. The first one is a rearrange animation, and the second one is a drop animation. We can do so using plain CSS. Angular CDK drag and drop assigns specific classes for elements during drag and drop. So we can add animations using plain CSS transitions. Let's start with the rearrange animations. To do so, we need to add CSS transition to the .cdk droplist dragging .cdk drag selector. The next one is drop animation. To implement it, we need to add CSS transition to the .cdk drag animating selector. The link to the source code is at the description. Like and subscribe to be notified about new videos. And thank you for watching.